How to write a review on Google Maps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. Tap on the area you want to pin. Once the pin is dropped, you'll see options like Directions, Save, Share, or Add a label at the bottom. Swipe up to view the location details such as the duration needed to reach the place from your current location, as well as the photos and more. Scroll down to the Review Summary section. Here, tap on Add Review. You can now add a review for this location from here. Tap on the stars to rate the location out of 5 stars. After that, type in the review. You can also add in photos or videos if you want. Tap on Add Photos and Videos and select the photos that you want. And then, tap on Post below. Following these steps, you can easily write a review on Google Maps on iPhone.